Welcome back to another form video where we're going to talk about the technique on the Spoto Press. The Spoto Press is a useful bench press variation where you can focus on tightness out of the hole or tightness at the bottom of a bench press. All the basics of a bench press, which we've already done a video on, with the videos in the description, all the basics of the bench press should still be stuck to in this movement. So your shoulders are packed, you have a tall chest, your feet are on the floor pushing into the floor to get you really tight in the bench press. Your bar path should be the same as it normally is, so don't think that you're re-hauling the movement. All you're doing is you're descending in a controlled tempo to where you pause 1 to 2 inches off of the chest, and then explode and push that bar back to the top of the movement. One thing I personally like to do to promote consistency from rep to rep is putting a pad on the bar. You want to find the thinnest one that's basically available. That's maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches wide that you can wrap around the bar. But descending and letting that pad touch my chest, but not sink into my chest. I don't want that pad to crush me. I don't want that bar to just smash my body. I want to control it down to where it just touches my chest, just like it wasn't even there, and then press back to my starting position. What this does is it creates consistency from rep to rep, where you're going the same depth every single time. Another thing you don't want to do is you don't want to be doing a bunch of partials, so don't get under the barbell and barely move that bar, flailing up and down just to move more weight and then tell people you're doing a Spoto press. A Spoto press is a lift that you can't haul tons and tons of weight on unless you're crazy strong, because you're pausing at a really difficult position, just 1 to 2 inches off of your chest. That's the Spoto press. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the page and let us know what you want to see next. We will talk to you soon. I've had too much caffeine today.